Today I'm going to be reviewing TAGRY X08 Bluetooth headphones with case. I'd like to thank TAGRY for sending this to me to review. This is actually what it looks like right there. What's nice is the case can be wirelessly charged if you want. Now, when you open this up, this will turn them on. Now, I did get this, and even though it showed that they were charged, they still have to be charged. I wanted to listen to them, so I charged them for a little bit to hear what they sounded like. These stick in here a little bit hard, so when you try to get them out, a little bit difficult. It's not really too hard. Just realize that these take just a little bit of effort to get out. It's not really a big deal. Just keep that in mind when you're getting these. They do have the stems on them. That's what they look like. So if that's a problem for you, I kind of like that, especially for a mic for your phone. The case obviously charges it. It easily connected to my phone. As soon as you open it up, the headphones turn on and you take them out and turn your Bluetooth. It finds them, no problem. When you want to turn it off, you put it in here and close the top. Now you can manually do it by holding on the button on there. That's real easy. The case can charge it basically 4 times. So you'll charge the case every time you use them. When they're dying, just put them in there and it will charge them. It's an Amazon choice. It's got 4.4 stars. I really believe this because they've got 80,802 reviews. That's just insane. 10,000 of these were bought in October 2025. The sound wasn't bad. If you are an audiophile and you'll probably listen to me like they're not that insane. They sounded good, had good bass response. But just to manage their expectation, they're very good, but you're not going to be getting some of the higher end sounds that you might get when you're spending a couple $100. Just keep that in mind. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.